Hello friends, in this video we study the reactions of gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis closely resembles the reverse pathway of glycolysis, although it is not the complete reversal of glycolysis. The three irreversible steps of glycolysis are catalyzed by hexokinase, phosphofructokinase and pyruvate kinase. These three stages are passed by alternate enzymes specific to gluconeogenesis. First is conversion of pyruvate to phosphoenol pyruvate. Second, conversion of fructose 6 bisphosphate to fructose 6 phosphate, and last is conversion of glucose 6 phosphate to glucose. In first stage, pyruvate is converted to oxaloacetate by carboxylation using the ATP driven enzyme pyruvate carboxylase that is located in mitochondrial matrix, and this enzyme uses biotin as an activated carrier of carbon dioxide. In the cytosol, phosphoenol pyruvate carboxykinase converts oxaloacetate to phosphoenol pyruvate. GTP is used in this reaction and the CO2 is liberated. In second stage, phosphoenol pyruvate undergoes the reversal of glycolysis until fructose 1,6 bisphosphate is produced. The enzyme fructose 1,6 bisphosphatase converts fructose 1,6 bisphosphate to fructose 6 phosphate, and in third stage glucose 6 phosphate is converted to glucose by the enzyme glucose 6 phosphatase. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.